Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in biology, ecology. So what exactly is ecology? Think of it as the ultimate study of relationships. It's the science of how living things like plants, animals, and even tiny microbes interact with each other and with their non-living environment like the air, water, and soil. It's basically the giant complex web of life on our planet. To make sense of it all, ecologists look at different levels of organization. The smallest level is an individual organism, like a single squirrel scampering up a tree. When you get a group of squirrels living in the same area, that's called a population. Now, what happens when you add all the other populations in that area, the oak trees, the robins, the earthworms? You get a community. It's like a bustling neighborhood of different species all living together, but it doesn't stop there. When you take that community and add in the non-living things, what we call abiotic factors like sunlight, temperature, and the water in a nearby stream, you get an ecosystem. An ecosystem can be as small as a puddle or as vast as an entire rainforest. It's the complete picture, the living and the non-living working together. And when you zoom out even further and look at all the ecosystems on Earth combined, you get the biosphere, our entire living planet. So how do all these parts connect? The key is the flow of energy. It all starts with the sun. Plants or producers use sunlight to make their own food through a process we all know, photosynthesis. Then come the consumers. Herbivores or primary consumers, like a rabbit, eat the plants. Then a carnivore or a secondary consumer, like a fox, might eat the rabbit. When these organisms die, decomposers like bacteria and fungi break them down, returning nutrients to the soil, which then helps new plants grow. This whole sequence is called a food chain. But in reality, it's a lot more complicated than a single chain. A fox doesn't just eat rabbits, and rabbits are eaten by more than just foxes. This interconnected network of many food chains is called a food web. It shows how energy really moves through an ecosystem in a complex, interwoven pattern. Every single member of this web is important. If you remove one piece, say a specific type of insect disappears, it can have a ripple effect, impacting the birds that eat it, the plants it pollinates, and so on. This brings us to a really important idea in ecology: balance. Ecosystems are constantly trying to maintain a state of equilibrium, but this balance can be disrupted, often by human activities. Things like pollution, deforestation, and climate change can throw ecosystems off kilter, threatening the survival of many species, including our own. Understanding ecology helps us see how our actions impact the world around us. It teaches us that we are not separate from nature. We are a part of it. By learning how these intricate systems work, we can make better choices to protect our planet for future generations. I hope this gives you a great introduction to the amazing world of ecology. It's a huge field with so much more to explore, from animal behavior to conservation biology. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more science content. Let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.